Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. This is the new Quantum Blue gel coat color. This boat's powered with a Mercury 150 4-stroke, transom ski tow bar, 12-volt receptacle. As we enter the boat, you'll see a removable cooler and an on-off battery switch. This does have the sea deck option. Coming into the boat, you'll see the new for 2020, the stone interior. Here on the transom, plenty of storage. Also a boat cover with a bag. Cooler. This does have the lighting package inside the cup holders with all the stainless steel grab bars. Over here at the helm, you'll see a nice helm seat with armrest, flip-up bolster. You're going to have a Fusion stereo, Simrad GPS, bilge pump, nav anchor, and courtesy lights. So it is going to light up blue inside the boat. Over here on the port side, you'll have the seat. This is removable and stores underneath here. Lockable glove box, bimini top. Coming forward, you close off the boat with a nice stainless steel latch. And forward, you'll see a wide bow with plenty of seating. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.